Upwork connects freelancers with clients looking for remote services, but getting results requires understanding how the platform works before spending time applying for jobs. By the end, you'll know how Upwork works, why beginners struggle with it, and whether the learning curve is worth it in 2026. Upwork is a freelance marketplace where clients post projects and freelancers submit proposals for work. The platform covers categories like writing, design, programming, marketing, customer support, consulting, and many other remote services. The main advantage of Upwork is access to clients who are already looking for freelancers. Instead of searching the internet for every potential customer, freelancers can browse available projects, submit proposals, and communicate with clients through the platform. The challenge is competition. Many freelancers apply for the same projects, so a basic profile and generic proposal usually make it harder to stand out. Your profile is one of the most important parts of getting noticed. Clients use your profile to understand your skills, previous experience, portfolio examples, and whether you are a good match for their project. Your proposals also matter. A strong proposal should explain how you can solve the client's problem instead of only describing your own skills. Beginners often make the mistake of applying to everything. A better approach is choosing projects that match your actual skills, experience level, and the type of work you want to continue doing. Upwork also requires patience because building a reputation takes time. Early projects can help you collect reviews, improve your profile, and understand what clients in your category are looking for. Your success depends on several factors, including your skill level, the demand for your service, the quality of your profile, and how effectively you communicate with potential clients. Upwork is not a shortcut to guaranteed income. It works best for people who already have a useful skill or are willing to improve that skill while learning how to market themselves. The best way to test Upwork is to start with a focused profile and apply only for projects where you can clearly explain your value. Track which proposals get responses, improve your approach, and adjust based on what works. Upwork can be worth the learning curve for freelancers who want access to a large client marketplace and are willing to build their reputation over time. It may not be the right choice for someone expecting instant jobs without competition. The main points are simple. Upwork gives freelancers access to clients worldwide. Standing out requires a strong profile and targeted proposals, and success comes from improving your approach over time. Your next step is to create a focused profile around one specific service and apply only to projects where you are a strong match. If this helped you understand whether Upwork is worth the learning curve in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical online work reviews.